My name is Acapella the General, and I'll be your host for the evening. First of all, we just want to congratulate you on installing our channel, Byof Live TV. If you haven't heard, we've just launched Byof Live streaming app available on the Apple and Android store. So now, if people have been telling you that your content isn't good enough, whether you're a singer, dancer, musician, conscious rapper, whether you want to be a cook, whether you want to teach people how to cook, you want to teach people how to build their businesses or their LLC, well, now it's time to go mainstream. This is not FB, IG, YT, or TikTok. It's time to build your own fan base. Send us your package, and if you're approved, then you will become a part of mainstream. We'll see you on the other side. Over and out.